Hello gang, welcome back. Today we will solve the problem 8 in our Python series. Python program to convert kilometer to miles. So as we know the logic for this one, so 1 kilometer equal to 0.621 miles. This is the logic which we require here. So save it. Actually this is extra space, doesn't require, I think so. Save it again. 1 kilometer equals 0.61 miles. So at first we will take the input as kilometers. So write kilometer equal to float for greater number series. Float input, enter the distance in kilometers. Enter the distance in kilometers. That's it. As if we get the input, then we need to calculate miles, right? Miles equal to 0.621 kilometers. That's it. We will need to multiply it. That's it. Then we will print the function print, and we will use the string interpolation to add into it. So let's say we will say kilometers. We will say kilometer equal to miles. That's it. Just go and run Python problem 8.py. So let's say I want to go 10 kilometers. So 10 kilometers is around approximately 6.21 miles. So sorry for putting F here. I just forgot it. There was a small bug in the code. So let's say 25 kilometers I walk. 25 kilometers are 15.125 miles. So let's go for problem number 9. Problem number 9. So problem number 9 is Python program to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. So the formula we require is Fahrenheit equal to 9 by 5 times Celsius plus 32 degrees centigrade, 32 degrees. So how we implement it? At first we need to take the input in Celsius, right? So C equal to float of input enter the temperature in Celsius. Enter the temperature in Celsius. So instead of doing it in a single line, we will use a function to calculate us. So def Celsius to Fahrenheit. So it takes one parameter temp. It takes one parameter Celsius. Let's say Celsius. So what we will do, we will return 9 by 5 times C plus 32. Now we will use the help of F string to print out the result. Degree Celsius. So let's say C degree Celsius is equal to C2F C degrees Fahrenheit. This is simple, right? Instead of degree, just put degrees. Save the code, open the terminal, and Python problem9.py. So let us say it's 100 degrees Celsius. How much it is? It's 212 degree Fahrenheit. Then the program is working perfectly. If you like my content, please make sure to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end.